Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a chair and a nice little ottoman here that we're going to redo, so follow along. Feels good to sit down, but we got to get to work. So we've got these seat cushions here that we're going to reupholster, and we're going to paint these frames. So overall they're in pretty good condition. There's some veneer that's missing on the back side here, so I'll wood putty and fill that. We'll sand it, or we'll paint it twice, we'll sand it down, and then we'll try to put the new fabric on, and then, well, we'll see what they look like at the end. So follow along, here we go. Alright, got some old sandpaper. What we're going to do is just scuff this up, give it something for that paint to stick to, and then we can start painting. So this shouldn't take too long. Let's get started. Alright, so what we've got is it sanded down, wiped off, and now we're going to start painting it 2 coats. I hate chairs, but it's a pretty cool little set, so we're going to get it done. We're going to do the bottom, catch everything we can, flip it over, and hit everything that we didn't hit the first time. Alright, 2 layers of paint on. Now it's time to scuff it up. Alright, it's getting to be a long day, but this isn't too bad of a project so far. So we got the frames painted, scuffed, and ready to go. Here in a second we'll put some wax on that. But while we're waiting on that for the water to dry, after cleaning it, we're going to remove all of this fabric here off this wood. That way we can get down before we can put the fabric on, which I'll show you what the fabric will be in a second. There it is. Pretty cool, huh? Mustaches. I love it. It's going to give a real cool look to that robin's egg. So, let's get the old off, put the new on. Alright, here it is completed. Robin's egg flat paint. We put 2 coats on, we scuffed it up, and then we put our seat covers on, and well, looks like they're comfy enough for me. Yes, that feels good. And that feels good. Nice little set for a corner or something like that. Even kids might like it, or for a desk. So if you like this and many of our other projects, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll keep doing some pretty cool projects like this.